This is the Super Fluff Dry Mousse by Maybeline. Of course, I'm in Japan, so all the goodies about inside the product are in Japanese. Let's rip this off. It's a light brown color. I wouldn't call this the right product if you want very defined brows. This definitely is a fluff, super fluff product. If you want a defined brow with a little bit of edge to it, then I would apply two products, maybe your eyebrow liner and this stuff to fluff it up. But if you just want a daily, easy to apply brow enhancer without the fuss, this is the product for you. So this is the stuff currently on my eyes. You can see that in the upper parts it can do with a bit more refining. Unfortunately, at my age, my eyebrows are starting to thin out, shall we say. But sometimes I can't be bothered to properly line them. And this product is so easy to use. I just fluff it on. And you know, it makes it look like my eyebrows are not, in fact, balding. Haha.